This video is how to disassemble a Logitech K840 mechanical keyboard. I've already taken off the keycaps. They've already been cleaned. The issue is that after I unscrewed all of the little screws from their various spots throughout the keyboard, not surprisingly, the keyboard still didn't come apart easily, and after I reviewed a couple other Logitech keyboards, it turns out that you have to pry off these rubber, pads, and then you'll see that there is another hidden screw, which I've already gone ahead and taken off using my little set of bits. So once you get those two off, then you can go ahead and open up the keyboard. Then you'll notice that it's still attached. So instead of trying to unplug any of the hardware here, there's another screw right over there where the cord is, which I've also taken off. And then it allows you to, so I'm doing one hand here, it'll allow you to pop that off. So that goes here, and that's where the little screw goes. And that's its screw. Short and sweet video. I hope that helps with trying to figure out how to get the back off, as it took me a little while and I was not wisely prying it, not realizing that it was because there were hidden screws here. Now when I flip it over, I'm not careful, but I really just wanted to see if there are any other signs of debris, because I've gone ahead and I've really cleaned this up with rubbing alcohol and Q-tips, compressed air. I was getting a lot of, what do you call them? The like double and triple characters, or what is it called? Chatter, keyboard chatter. So spacebar, C button, E button, I button, sometimes like 2, 3, 4 times the stroke would go through, and I'm only hitting it once, I think. So if you have any tips on how to clean this with trying to get this side off, and I'm not even going to try because there are other screws here. But if this keyboard doesn't work one more time, I'll probably just go ahead and disassemble the whole thing and try and figure out if there's some kind of debris somewhere stuck in those specific keys. But I hope this video helps you at least take the back off the K840 Logitech mechanical keyboard. Have a nice day.